Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mahi and Ruhi Creativity, where you can see art and craft and many other creative things. In this video I am going to use DOMS plastic box to make laptop. And this laptop is used by my sister Ruhi for playing. So let's see. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you love my videos, please hit the like button as it motivates me. So first, on a white sheet, I will sketch out all the things like icons, taskbar, logo, etc. Then I will color it with the colors of my choice to make it more beautiful. Here I am coloring all the icons with different colors using DOMS sketch pen. So enjoy coloring with me. And I have also drawn some pictures of popular icons based on their colors like gallery, contacts, calculator, gaming app, music, Facebook, Snapchat and App Store. I also made random apps because I didn't get ideas. Oh look, I have also made Microsoft Word, WhatsApp, YouTube, Google and a folder. And here is start button with my logo and other random icons. Here is all the other things like battery, Bluetooth, network, sound, time, date, etc. Now it's time to color the logo. And do you know what MR22 means? MR means Mahi and Ruhi, and 22 makes me remember that I had made this laptop in the year 2022, and I'm coloring it with my and my sister's favorite color. To give it more clear look, I will outline it with black sketch pen. To make keyboard, I have cut out small square cardboard pieces. So these are the sheets from which I will cover the box. After covering the sheets, it looked like this, and I have also sticked all the keyboard buttons and labeled them with alphabets and numbers. Now it's time to decorate it from outside. I have cut out some sparkly hearts and I will stick it with a little magic. Woo! It's all sticked. It still looks plain. Ooh, let's draw our logo with magic. Wow, that was quick. So this is one of my best creativity of mine and I love it. And here I also made a mouse using old Fevicol lid.